Good morning. We will see about the topic is Python string. String is the collection of character surrounded by the single quotes by double quotes or triple quotes. The computer does not understand the characteristic internally. It stores manipulated character as combination of zeros and ones. See, each character is encoded in the ASCII values. Okay, so we can say that Python strings are also called the collection of Unicode character. Okay, then what is the syntax? See the Python syntax. Str equal to hi Python. Str is the variable name. Then next hi Python is the value. See the creating string in Python. We can we can create a string by enclosing the characters in single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes, okay, to represent the string, but it is generally used for multi-line string or document string. See the example. Using single quotes means str1 is the variable name, then equal to, then value. See, hello Python, we will use single quotes, they also string. Then again next line we will print the str1, then next str2 equal to hello Python, print str2 using double quotes, then next we will using triple quotes. See the print statement. See the output. First line they will print str1 hello Python, then next print str2 hello Python, then next print str3. See, triple quotes are generally used for represent of multi-line or document string. Okay, next topic in the string index and splitting. The indexing of the Python string starts from 0. Okay, for example, the string hello is indexed as given below. See, str is the variable name, hello is the value, equal is the assignment operator. Okay, see the index. H is 0, E is 1, L is 2, then L is 3, then O is fourth position. See the slicing. Str is 2 means all elements they will print. Str 0 means they will zeroth position after all elements they will print. Str is to 5 means fifth position before elements they will print. Str is to 3 means 3 before elements they will print. 0 is to 2 means 0 is to 1 element they will print. 1 is to 4 means 1 is to 3 elements they will print. Then next we will see example. See, str is the variable name, hello is the value, print str of 0. What is the 0th place? H. Then next first place E, second place L, then third place L, fourth place O. Okay, it returns the index error because sixth index doesn't exist. Why we will use print str of 6? Because they will not the elements. Okay, see the error, index error. Then after uh, str equal to java point, another variable name, another string. Okay, print str of 0 is 2 means they will print all the element they will print. Str of 1 is to 5 means starting second index to third index. Then print str 2 is to 4 means second index to third index. Then next is to 3 means start 0th to second index. Then print str4 is to 7 means fourth to sixth index. Okay, see, reasoning the string str equal to hello, print of str equal to hello. Then see the uppercase and lowercase vary. Okay, how to delete the string? Use del keyword. Okay, then what is the string operation? See the string operation, it is known as concatenation operator used to join the string given either side of the operator. Then next It is known as repetition operator. It concatenates to multiple copies of the same of string. It is known as, then next is square bracket is slice operator. Okay, it is used to access substring of particular string. Okay, the colon is used to range slice string. Okay, it accesses character from the specified range. Okay, in is the member, already you know. In and not in is the membership operator. Okay, see, it returns if a particular substring, then a substring not present the specified string. Okay, then next modulo, it is used to perform formatting. It makes use format specifier in C programming, like percentage d or percentage f. Percentage d is used to integer. Okay, map their values in the formatting. Okay, see the example. Str is the variable name, then hello is the value. Okay, then next, then next str is the variable name, hello is the value, str1 is the variable name, world is the value, then print str star. Okay, it is used to, they will print hello 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 hello. What is the variable name, then what is the value? Variable name is string str, the value is hello. Okay, they will print 3 times of the variable. Okay, then next line we see about str plus str1. Str is hello, then next str1 is world. They will print add the two value. Okay, add the two variable name. Okay, what is the value? Str is the hello, str1 is the world. Okay, print hello world. Then next, print str of 4. Which position str is the variable name? See, count index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. They will print L. Then next print str 2 is to 4. See, 0, 1, 2, 3. Two elements only they will print. Then next print, we will use membership operator in list. Okay, W in str. See, W in str, it's available or not? It's not available. Okay, print false as WN not present in str. Okay, then next line is WO not in str1. Print false as W is present in str1. Okay, then next line we will print the string str percentages of str. Okay, what is the str value? Str is there not? They say it is one of the variable name. Okay, str is hello. Okay, then next, we see about list. See, list is one of the data type. Okay, a list in Python is used to store sequence of various types of data. Python lists are mutable type. It is mutable data type. We can modify its element after it created. It is 6 data types that are capable to store sequence, but most common the reliable type is the list. Okay, it is defined as collection of values or items, different types. They will separate comma enclosed of the square bracket. That's simple. Okay, the list can be defined as L1 is the variable. They will give some of the values. Okay, string or integer. Okay, collection of character is called string. Okay, then L1 is the variable name. They will give some of values. John, John is the string, and 102 is the number. Then USA is the string. Then next variable name is L2. L2 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They will give only, they will we will give number only. Okay, then next print type of L1. What is the value of L1? What is the type of L1? Yes, list. Type function is used to what is the run currently they will say what is the data type. Okay, then next print type L2 they will print list. Okay, then next characteristics of list. The list has the following characteristics. List are ordered. The elements of list can be accessed by index. They are mutable type. Okay, it can store the number of variable elements. Okay, to check if first statement that list are the ordered. A equal to first line integer, then next is string, then next line integer, then next is string, then another is integer, then B equal to first is integer, then next string, third is integer, string, then integer. A equal to B. It is not for assignment operator, it is comparison operator. The A and B compared. Okay, see the output false because the variable, sorry, value will be changed, not for same. Okay, then next, see the example. EMP equal to, EMP is the variable name, declared 5 variable, then declared 5 value. It is a list type of value. Okay, then first line they will printing employee data. Then next print name is percentages. Then next this line we will use the lambda function. Okay, uh, then first line they will printing employee data. This line we will use the lambda function. The first index of the name and value, they will change the id function. Okay, the emp of 0 is stored in name, emp of 1 is stored id, emp of 2 stored in country. Okay, printing departments. Okay, then next line we will print, see the position, 0th index they will print John. Okay, then first index they will print that id, second index they will print USA. Okay, then next print HOD details. See, print CSC HOD name, it is the one of string, the stored of the CS HOD of the value. See the value, first position Mr. Holding, then 0th position is 10. See the all elements they will store this first position, then second arguments they will store the id function. The next last line print type of emp, type of dep1, type of dep2, type of HODCS, then type of HODIT. Okay, this all type is only list data type. See the output, first line printing employee data, then second line their name will print and id and country will print. Then next printing departments, department 1, the name is CS ID 11. The next department 2 name IT ID 11. Okay, see the output, the last line class list. It is the data type which because we will use type function. Okay, then next we index and splitting. Okay, list is the variable name, then 0 comma 1 comma 2 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, we assigned 6 values. Okay, we will split 0 to position 0, first position 1, then fifth position is 5. Okay, list of 0 is 2 means they will print 0 to 5 value print. List of colon means all the value print. List of 2 is to 4 means 2, 3 only print. Okay, list of 1 is to 3 means 1 and 2 only print. List of is to 4 means colon 4 means 0 to third position they will print. See the example. Okay, list equal to 1 to 3 comma 1 to 7. We will initialize the value, then line by line. First we will print 0, then next we will print 1, then next we will print 2, next we will print 3, slicing the elements. Okay, then next list 0 is to 3 means they will print 0 is to 5 value they will print. Okay, see the last line, print list 1 is to 6 is to 2. Okay, they will jump off 2 by 2. Okay, then updating list values. Okay, list equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. We will do assign the value. Okay, update one value, we will insert in that variable name. Okay, how to we will insert? Okay, it will list of second, we will insert in second position of this value 10. Okay, then next print list. Okay, adding multiple value. Okay, see, list of 1 is to 3, 89 and 78, we will insert the value of list variable. Okay, then next we will print list. Okay, okay, then next, what are the list operation in Python? Okay, repetition, concatenation, membership, iteration, then length. Okay, repetition is used to, the repetition operator enables the list elements to repeated multiple elements. Okay, concatenation means the list mentioned on either side of operator. Membership means it returns true value if a particular item exists in a particular list, otherwise false. Okay, then iteration means the for loop is used to iterate over the list elements. Then next, length. It is used to get the length of the list. How many length? Okay. See the iteration of list. List is the variable name. Then we will use some of values. Okay. Then we will use for loop for I in list. The I variable value stored in this I. Then variable will iterate over the elements of the list and contain more much of element in each iteration. Okay. Then next, build by what are the built-in function in list? Okay, comparison, length, maximum, minimum, sequence. Okay, comparison, it is it compares the elements of both the list. This method is used to, not used in Python above version. Then next, it is used, length is used to calculate the length of the string. Maximum, it returns maximum elements of the list. It returns minimum is used to minimum element of list. List of sequence, it converts sequence of to the list. See the example, list equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we will print the statement, printing original list. Then we will use the looping statement of for. Okay, for I in list. Okay, the list value stored in I. Then we will inside of the loop print I is end. Then list dot remove of second position. Okay, then again print the elements after removal of first element. Then we will use again for loop statement. For loop list value they will store I. Then last is the printing list after the removal of first element. Okay, how to add how to add the element in the list? We will use append function. Okay, I equal to, we will do empty, we will take empty list. Then we get the value of user. Okay, the syntax n equal to int. Why we will use int means because we will take integer value. Okay, int input, enter the number of elements. Okay, then for loop to take the input, I dot append. See, I dot append input, enter the item. Then next, the next line we will print the list of item. Then again we will use the looping statement. Enter the number of elements in the list 5, 25, 45, 55, 65. Then last element is 25. See the alignment. See the ascending format. Okay. Thank you.